I just bought the AKASO action camera EK7000 off of Amazon. It was $60. It can wirelessly integrate with some application. It has a waterproof casing, micro USB and HDMI, has a 170-degree wide angle, and storage with an SDHC card, which is not included. There's the side, says it has a 2-inch display. It comes with a remote. Supposedly it can go up to 4K at 30 frames per second and 12 megapixel JPEG. So let's open it up. It has a little plastic sticker on there. On both sides it has the plastic sticker. Take that right off. Slide the camera out of there. There's one mount. This one looks like it can buckle or clip on. Comes with a Velcro strap. So you have some more camera mounts here. Another camera mount. Another mount that could attach to a pole, squeeze on and attach to a pole. Yeah, another camera mount. Lots of different mounts in here. There's another mount. 2 tape mounts. Got your battery charger. Looks like a case cover. Got your micro USB. Got a bunch more straps and Velcro. You have your screen or glasses wipe here. Like to use that for my glasses. A cable and some more tape. An offer to get free accessories. Here we have the instructions for putting the battery in the camera, connecting to the phone via the AKASO DV iSmart DV app, and inserting the memory card and the battery into the camera. Alright, we have remote instructions here. Here's the remote instructions. Got our rechargeable battery that comes with it. Here's the second rechargeable battery that comes with it. A handful of zip ties. And here we have the remote control. Lift that rubber piece off. Pinch these plastic pieces together. And then slide the camera off of the box. So this could be like another mount. Now we have our camera off our box. It's still in its case. The waterproof case here, you can click the buttons right through the case. So let's take it out of the case for now. So we could just open that up. Pop the camera out there. Alright, here's the EK7000 AKASO 4K camera out of the box. There's the top, there's the side. Let's peel the film off the back. Let's peel the film off the lens. And now let's charge the batteries. Let's pop our batteries in the charger. We got both our batteries in the charger. Plug in the micro USB. Then I'll plug this into a USB port until the battery is fully charged. Let's open the battery slot. Really gotta pry that bottom piece off of there. It doesn't come off easy. And then we have our micro SD slot to put our micro SD in. This is sold separately, but you can get these things pretty cheap nowadays. Here's a SanDisk micro SD that's also off of Amazon. Peel the film off of there. Pop that guy out of there. Place the micro SD into the slot. There's no cover on that slot, which is strange, but hey, that's fine. I guess you could use any of the straps for the wireless remote, but I'll just use this one with the clip. Slide that down in there. Slide it back through there. Let's pull it through. Slide that through there, and alright, slide that through there, and clip it in. Alright, the LEDs went from red to blue. Our batteries are fully charged. Take the bottom off of there. Line up the battery with the pins, and put in the battery. Put the battery door back on. To take out the battery, lift up this flap here. Hold down and pull out the battery. Okay, the battery's in, the memory card is in. Let's turn it on. Alright, the camera's on. Let's go through the menu on the side here. Got some clips in there of hiking. You can play the clip by pressing the picture button. Pause it and go back by hitting the power button. On the main screen, we can press the top button to record. You can assign it a date and time. You can tap the power button again to cycle through the menus. Pictures, wide pictures. We have settings. You can press the top button to go into settings. Then we can adjust video resolution, looping video, timestamp, exposure settings, photo resolution, burst photo, time-lapse, continuous time-lapse, power frequency, language, date, time, sound indicator. Then there's upside down, screensaver, power save, format, reset, and version. So let's go to video resolution, press top button, and we could do 1080p 60 frames per second, 1080p 30 frames per second, 4K 25 frames per second, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, 720p at 120 frames per second, and 720p at 60 frames per second. You can check out some of my hiking videos where I try the different settings. I'll have those listed below. And obviously this is not touchscreen. It's all controlled by the buttons that I just showed you. Of course, we can turn the camera off by holding down the power button here. You can transfer your videos to your computer using the micro SD card or the micro USB to USB here. You can even connect over Wi-Fi. Here's the remote control. We can start recording by pressing the record button. Now the camera's starting to record, and we can stop recording by pressing the record button. We can also take a picture by hitting the picture button. And we took one photo. And there it is, the AKASO EK7000. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.